but you have to see the emotional emotion. I had to do that, so I had to see.
Monsieur Lelouch, s'il vous plaît.
Monsieur Lelouch.
S'il vous plaît. C'est mon métier.
That's my job.
Et puis ce film parle de la France profonde, faire un portrait de la France que j'aime, profonde, et montrer qu'on a tous les défauts de mutualité, surtout les Français. Le film raconte différentes histoires différentes, donc j'ai pris des spécialistes de chaque histoire.
Nadia Faris, I'm in the Claude Lelouch movie, and I'm delighted to be here today at Cocoa to present the movie to the French-American audience. Oh, he's a passionate, he's a child. He's in love with he's in love with life, with movies. He's always inspired by 1,000 things. Everything is a source of inspiration. And he loves what he does. He's passionate.
But he let you express yourself as an actress, or he pretend you to follow something?
Oh no, he gives you some directions. So actually, some actors don't even have a script. He gives some directions, and then he lets you surprise him and surprise yourself too. That's the uniqueness of Claude Lelouch.
This is your first time?
No, it's my second time.
The first one?
The first one was in the movie. It was a smaller part. It was called Homme, Femme, Mode d'Emploi. Yes, I'm actually starting next week season 2 of Marseille, which is a Netflix show with season 2.
So, thank you very much. Good luck for your career. I don't think you need that.
Thank you so much.
Aspetta, ripeti il tuo nome.
Sveva Albini.
Sei romana?
Romana.
Allora, dimmi soltanto dove questo film, dove l'avete girato?
Questo film abbiamo girato tra la Francia, l'Italia e Casablanca.
Sì. E qui a Los Angeles come ti trovi?
Molto bene, perché ho anche mia sorella che abita qui a Los Angeles, quindi è stata un'opportunità per venire anche a trovarla.
Hai lavorato, dicevo.
Sì, è stato venduto già in 30 paesi.
Dove hai studiato? Hai studiato
Ho studiato a New York
a New
per
York?
7 anni con Susan Batson, la coach di Nicole Kidman, Juliette Binoche.
Allora parli inglese?
Of course, I lived there for 9 years.
Cosa è importante? Trovare un agente qui e poi...
Of course, I will do the same, yeah. Vorrei trovare un agente qui. Verranno a vedere il film e da là vedremo.
Ti faccio, vuoi dirmi qualcosa dei tuoi progetti adesso, il prossimo film?
Comincerò un progetto ad ottobre per un film italiano con la Povolova, con Riondino, con Santa Maria, quindi un progetto, una storia molto interessante, non posso parlarne troppo perché sono molto contenta. E poi sono ancora in promozione del film del DAC, quindi sono ancora in giro per il mondo, abbiamo finito di girare da poco.
Dalida aiuta tutti, nel senso a unirsi, perché lei cantava in 14 lingue ed era una italiana di genitori italiani ma nata in Egitto con l'educazione francese e cantava tutte le canzoni in francese, italiano, spagnolo, giapponese, arabo, e dunque sarà uno show fantastico. Grazie, grazie mille.
Je m'appelle Bruno Dumont et je suis réalisateur. Et donc je suis réalisateur d'un film qui est ici, qui s'appelle Slack Bay. Avec Juliette Binoche et avec Fabrice Lucchini. Et Valeria Bruni-Tedeschi. C'est un film, c'est comédie, pure comédie, like cartoon, with Juliette Binoche.
Avevo una distribuzione anche?
Donc we have a distributor, is Kino Lorber. Kino Lorber distributes the film. The film was just released this weekend in New York. And I arrived here for a presentation of the movie in Los Angeles.
You're heureux to be
Ravi. I am very happy to see my American friend of cinema, all my brothers and sisters.
Oh, my name is François Truffard. I'm the director of the festival, just a programmer of festival. About Truffaut, we we really mix at Colcoa, which is the reason why people like this festival. It's because we know that there is not only one audience for foreign film in the US. When you go on Netflix, you see that foreign film is like a genre. It's between Western and action movie, you know. And you don't have only one audience for foreign film. You have a lot of different kind of audiences. So we mix, and we are very lucky because French cinema is very eclectic. You can go with very art house kind of film and very blockbusters, a lot of blockbusters. So we mix this kind of in the program, and we see that different people are going, they will choose, but they will have the choice. But what is interesting that in France you have the people who like art house films and you have the people who like the blockbuster, and they're totally separate. In the US it's mixed. That's why it's very important for us also to touch new generations, and we have 60 high schools coming every year from different districts, different parts of the city, the county, and it's amazing to see that they are all very passionate. They want really to discover new things. We prepare the future audience for foreign films, not only for French film, but for any foreign films.
Are you satisfied with the results?
It's a success. I think we're going to reach 25,000 people this year. So it makes Colcoa one of the most important festivals in LA. And yeah, it's really exciting.
Okay, so for the next year?
Next year I'm still working, I'm starting working on it next week. And wow, it's a 1-year process, and be ready for the end of April. I don't have the date now, but you know, people they know it's always at the end of April. So
we say congratulations and
allo qualità?
Attualità.
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 Alejandra Narambuenas Kira. I'm the executive director of the Franco-American Cultural Fund, who produce Colcoa.
Oh, so c'est important.
Yes, very important, of course.
Are you satisfied for?
Yes, we are always satisfied because all the theatre are full, all the people love it, and you have a very large spectrum of a lot of different kind of film.
My name is Eric Laven, I'm the director of Your Choice. I'm very surprised because it's a big event, and I'm very happy to be in Los Angeles. It's the first time I present a film here. For me, Los Angeles is very particular. The script, it was not my idea. The writer is Laure Enka, a girl who has a lot of problems to choose, to make decisions in her life, and I like the script, so I rewrote character and lines, but it's the first time I made a film and I don't add the original idea.
So good luck for
thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Qu'est-ce que vous aimez
dans le film? Oui. Je trouvais, alors juste pour expliquer un petit peu l'histoire, c'est qu'au départ, dans le scénario, c'était plus pour une jeune actrice de 25 ans, alors que 40 ans, je trouvais que ça renforçait le personnage. Ça donnait quelque chose de plus important pour le personnage avec l'horloge biologique. Vite, il faut avoir un enfant, vite, il faut créer une famille. Donc je trouvais que du coup, ça renforçait le personnage. Après, j'aimais bien cette idée de choix, parce que aujourd'hui, on est dans la surconsommation. On a tellement de choix dans la vie qu'on ne sait plus lesquels prendre. Alors il y a des choix plus superficiels, on va au supermarché, il y a plein de céréales, on ne sait pas lequel prendre parce qu'il y en a trop. Et puis après il y a des choix dans la vie qui sont importants à prendre, de faire le bon choix. Moi je parle par rapport à mon métier, mais si je fais des mauvais choix de films, eh bien les producteurs finiront par ne plus me prendre. Donc parfois de faire le bon choix, et c'est difficile de faire un bon choix. Donc voilà, donc je trouvais que tout ça était intéressant dans ce film-là.
Merci beaucoup, je pense que tout le monde va. Et je pense que vous avez fait le personnage.
Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup.
Thank you very much.